Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Java Classified. In previous video, I explained how to install Ollama in Windows system. In today's session, we will show you how to use CodeLlama model for the coding purposes by using Ollama commands in the CMD. So let's let's see how to use CodeLlama model by using Ollama. So you need to press by using Window plus R button from the keyboards. Then you need to type CMD. In here, first you need to check Ollama version. If Ollama is not installed, then you need to install Ollama. If you didn't watch my previous video, then you need to go to playlist section and watch Ollama installation process in the Windows system. So if you see in my screen, you can see Ollama version is 0.23.1 is installed in my system. So I don't need to install Ollama again. That is already there in my system. So if you see how many model is available in your system, then there is a command you need to type here, that is Ollama and list. That command, by using that command, you can see how many models are installed in your system. So you can see right now there is 4 models appear in my screen. One is Queen 2.5 coder, and second one is the CodeLlama model, and third one is the RFS model, and fourth one is the Kimi K2.5 models. So by using Ollama list commands, you can see all available models in your system. So in today's we are going to use CodeLlama model for coding purposes because we are a developer now. So we need to learn how to use CodeLlama by using Ollama command. So here that is already there in my system. If CodeLlama model is not there, then you need to pull that model. So there is a command which will check first in your system that model is available or not. If that model is not available, then that model will pull from the Ollama software collections. So in the Ollama, you can see I'm just going to open Chrome here. I'm typing ollama.com/search. You can see here multiple models will be appear. I think my internet is slow, so it's taking time. You can see in the search box there is multiple models you can search. Here you can see Queen 3.6, Kimi K2, like that. These are multiple different models are available in the Ollama. So in today's session we are going to use CodeLlama model, that is for coding purposes. So you can see here CodeLlama. Here you need to click, and this is the command which we need to use in the CMD. Ollama run CodeLlama. So if you want particular version, so you need to mention that version. Otherwise, it will always take latest version. You can see this is the CodeLlama model, and that is already there in my system. You can see CodeLlama colon 7B. That is the latest model. You can see in Chrome also. So we are going to run that model. So there is a command Ollama run, and you need to put model name. So I'm going to putting model name and entering it. If that model is not there in your system, so it will pull from the Ollama library software collections. Then it will run. In my cases, CodeLlama model is already there, so it will not pulling that model from the CodeLlama library. You can see the size of that model is 3.8 GB. So first time it will take more times to pulling that models. So So first time you need to wait based on your internet connections. How many speeds are you getting? So it will take few minutes to running that model. So let's wait until that model is not run. Yeah, now it is up. You can type in here like create a hello Java Java program and enter it. It will create a Java program. So you can see in my screen currently it is analyzing our text, and based on our text it will give the output. So it is providing here is an example of a hello world Java program. You can see it is also creating our Java programs. So if you want for the coding level projects you need to use for customize anything develop for the development, then you can use Ollama with CodeLlama model for the coding purposes. You can see in my screen it is writing all the information related to the hello Java program. It will also explain how it will run and how it will compile and what will be the output. You can see. So by using this model, you can you can get the programming related things. So thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, so you can subscribe my channel by clicking subscribe button so that you will get the further update in upcoming session as well. So you need to do all the coding related information by providing the commands prompt in this model. So thank you. Let's see in another video.